Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this Samsung. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view, like Play Store. Then you need to access background apps and click on the icon of your app. Finally, click on Open in Split Screen View and tap on the other app, in my case Gallery. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!